Hi guys. Not sure if you can see me. It's like weirdly sunny, cloudy out. So anyway, I have my Fahrenheit 451 book, and I just want you to know I haven't forgot about you. It's been crazy trying to figure out all of this teaching through the TV, computer, whatever this thing is. Anyway, so I have posted a couple of questions on Classroom for you to participate in discussion, and I want to give you what your assignment is going to be for today. So what I'm thinking, you guys, because between my sophomores, my seniors, you, and then my own children, it's a lot of stuff to manage. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have your assignments due at 2 o'clock every day. Okay, so if there's discussion questions, you can participate in those whenever you feel like it. Whenever you're on the computer, participate. You get your credit by participating in discussion questions. But as far as reading, when you have to read, and I know some of you are doing that on your phone, some of you are using books, some of you are using Brad's illegal PDF that's going to get me arrested or fired or something. But whatever way you're reading, I'm going to have those assignments based on what you read. I'm going to have those posted, um, by 2 o'clock. So that's my goal. Okay, I'm going to take care of my sophomores and my seniors, and then I'm going to spend some time taking care of you guys. So when I give you a reading assignment, it's not due first thing in the morning. It's due by 2 o'clock that day. And at 2 o'clock, I will have posted what you're going to do with that assignment, whether it's a Flipgrid video, a discussion question. Sometimes I might make you make something. I don't know. I also want to do a couple of small group video chat sessions where I'll put you in groups of like 8 to 10, maybe tops, and we'll discuss what you read. Okay, so just going to be important. This is a difficult book to catch all the symbolism and stuff. So I'm gonna fill you in on that kind of stuff as we go. But like I said on Google Classroom, one thing you need to constantly be aware of is this book was written in 1953. Okay, so this is when TVs were first going into people's houses. This is before the invention of a lot of things. Okay, so in this first part of the book, you're going to read about our main character's wife, Mildred, and she has like essentially a blood transfusion and kind of has her stomach pumped. And I, of course, my own copy of the book I left in my classroom that has all my notes. But I don't think the first time that this happened was until like 1967 or something like that. So I'd have to Google it to clarify. But there's a lot of things in this book that seem normal to us. She overdoses. You'll see that. And it seems normal to us, but you put that in the 1950s and it's not normal. So that's why he was such a revolutionary, excuse me, author. Anyway, so your assignment, what I want you to read for tomorrow, by 2 o'clock tomorrow. If you're reading in the book, it's very simple. It's the first part of the book. It's in 3 parts. Okay, so the hearth and the salamander. You can look up the symbolism of that. I think it was on the Google slides, but a hearth is part of a fireplace, and a salamander is significant. So you might want to look into that. But the first part is part 1. Sorry, not chapter. Page 1 through 18. So if you're in the book, it's easy. Page 1 through 18. Sorry, I'm trying to show this to you. If you're reading online on your phone or on that PDF, I'm going to tell you what the last line is. Okay, and I'll put this on Google Classroom too. But it's a natural break. We're introduced to Guy. He's our main character, and he's a fireman. Okay, firemen are different in this society than they are, obviously, how we know them. But we're introduced to Guy, we're introduced to Clarice, and we're introduced to Mildred. Mildred's going to be the last character we're introduced to. And the last line before I want you to stop reading is he says he walked over, read the last page, nodded, folded the script, and handed it back to her. He walked out of the house into the rain. Okay, so that's going to be the last part. That's where I want you to stop. Now, I know some of you are asking me, well, what if I read the whole entire book? And obviously some of you are readers. My suggestion is to be reading another book. Okay, so if you love to read, find another book to read on your own, and let's try to read this one together. It's so hard to work this video. Okay, let's try to read this one together. If you do read ahead, that's fine, but just know that you need to be able to keep with us in discussion. Okay, so I'll post that last line on Classroom. I want you to have read to that point by tomorrow at 2 o'clock. And then at 2 o'clock, I'm going to post, I think tomorrow will just be a Flipgrid assignment. Okay. Yeah, so I hope you're doing well and get outside. It's gorgeous out here. It's supposed to rain after this. So thinking about you, and I hope you're doing well with all this stuff. If I can help you with anything, shoot me an email. Okay.